Welcome to our exciting and colorful exploration of nail colors, the historical evolution of nail color. In this section, we will take your audience on a journey through time exploring the origins of nail adornment and how nail colors has evolved across various cultures and areas. You will delve into the symbolism and cultural significance attached to different nail colors throughout history. The emotional palette of nail colors. This part will dive into the emotional impact of different nail colors. You will explore how various colors can evoke different feelings and moods, discussing the physiological aspect of nail colors choice. Personal stories and anecdotes can help connect these emotions to real experience. Exploring the rich spectrum of nail colors. Here you will introduce your audience to the basic of color theory. You will cover primary, secondary, and tertiary colors and how the manifest in nail art, exploring complementary and analogous colors combinations will highlight the aesthetic nails designs, focusing on how to achieve balance and contrast. Tracing nail color trends across eras. In these sections, you will take a historical approach, examining how nail color trends have evolved through different decades. You will identify iconic nail colors that characteristics each era and discuss the influence of fashion and culture on these trends. Picking the right nail color. This part will guide viewers on how to choose the perfect nail color for different occasions and settings. You will delve into considerations like skin tone, context, and personal preferences, providing practical tips for making nail color choices. Mastering nail colors as a canvas of self expressions. Here, you will explore how nail colors can be used as a means of personal expression. You will discuss how nail colors can reflect individuals' style and share stories that highlight the significance of nail art in storytelling and conveying emotions. Celebrities and pop culture shaping nail color trend. These sections will look at the impact of celebrities and pop culture on nail color trends. You will discuss how famous personalities influence nail color choices and explore instances of nail colors in movies, musics, and other forms of media. The nail color formulation from pigment to polish. In this part, you will delve into the science behind nail color productions. You will explain how pigments and additives are used to create a diverse range of nail colors options, and you will discuss innovations in all color technologies. Thanks for this watching video.